So you wanna fire a straight ray into the world and see what it hits. That's line trace by channel. It's the foundation of combat and interaction. Guns, interact prompts, checking the line of sight. Raycast is always there. Line trace is a dev invisible probe into the world. Get this node, just right click and type line trace by channel and you will get this node. And for now, let's just remove both of these because I have prepared a very beautiful example to better understand it. In this example, as you can see, whenever we press 1, it will make a line trace by channel, but it will start from the location of the actor as we are giving it a start as get actor location. But now where will it end? Because we have to give it an end. So for the end, I have chosen the follow camera because this will help us. Well, wherever we move, wherever we face towards with the camera, it will make the ray towards that area. So I am taking the get forward vector from there. You can always take it get forward vector from that actor itself, but for now we are taking it from the camera, so we can make a line trace from wherever we're looking. Then I am multiplying it by 500 because I have to specify the distance, how much longer the line should be, and then we are adding it to get actor location so that it can be start from where we stand and it will go 500 plus towards where we are looking. And in addition to that, we are also ignoring an actor which is self, so that it just don't collide with us and tell us that it hit something. So I think it make a bit sense. Let's see it in action so we can understand it more beautifully. Now as you can see on the screen, whenever I press 1, it just hits something like this on the screen. As you can see, as we press 1, it is hitting continuously. But for now, let's change the situation a bit. We are making here an even tick, so every tick it will make a line trace and it will continuously hit everything we are looking at. So it will make a very beautiful design on the screen, but this is also how the pickup thing in many games actually work. It is actually used for shooting hit can weapons, then detecting what the player is looking at, or triggering event when the ray hits something. So it's a super useful node. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.